Hey guys, it's Candy. Welcome to my channel. If it is your very first time, a special welcome to you. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can become a part of the Natural Hair Dynamics gang. If you are an oldie but goodie, welcome back. So today we're doing a individual crochet box braids. Yes, this is actually the boho box braids, and I am showing you guys exactly how I install and remove it. Yeah, so this was a promised video. I'm using just a small piece of braiding here just to add to her hair, because as you can see, her hair is on the shorter side, so I would not have the length desired in order to create the style. So yes, I'm adding a piece of hair, and what you want to do is just to start braiding the hair in, and you're going to just continue braiding till you get to the end. Yeah, so by the magic of editing, we are at the top. So again, I'm using a piece of braiding here just to add to her hair. If your hair is long enough, then there's no need to do this step. Go ahead and just braid your hair as is, and you are good to go. So once you braid, yeah, make sure that you braid all the way to the end. If you want, you can braid and then twist, but make sure that the hair is sealed. Yes, that is very important for neatness. So we are done, and the next step is to install the braiding hair. Yes, this hair is from Amazon. I will go ahead and leave the link down below for you guys so that you guys can go directly to the website to see the hair. I do not remember the name of the vendor. It's a weird type of, yeah, a weird name. All right, so what you want to do is insert the crochet tool from the top of the braid to the bottom of the braid, then attach the crochet hair, close the latch hook, and then pull it through. And with the crochet tool still in the loop of the crochet hair, we're going to add her hair to the hook and pull it through the loop. Yes. And once you do that, then you are in business. It's just a matter of time before we have her hair secured within the braiding hair or the crochet hair. We're going to be crocheting the crochet tool in and out of the braid. Yes, so all the way in and out, just until we get to the very top of the crochet hair. Then I'm going to attach her hair to the hook and pull it all the way through. Now, once you pull it through, then you're going to be able to determine if it is fully secured. If it is not secured, then you're going to just repeat the process until all of the hair is secure. Now, the shorter your hair, the easier it is to conceal it. So I'm going to start further down and just keep, going in and out of the braid until I get to where the hair stopped. Attach it, close the latch hook, and then pull it through again. And this is just pretty much disguising her hair within the braid. Now, if you have very thick hair, this method may not work for you. Like some people pointed out, yes, this is just for people with finer, thinner hair. I wouldn't say so. My hair is not fine or thin, and I'm able to pull this style off, but it all depends on the thickness of the braid or the crochet hair that you're working with. Okay, so after pulling the crochet hair through the base of her braid and then pulling the hair to tighten it, I'm going to go ahead and just insert the crochet tool on the underside of the braid and then attach her hair to the latch hook and pull it through. This is the easiest way to secure it in place while you do the in and out method. So the first one I didn't do that, but this is an easier way. Just make sure that you secure the hair in place. So you're pretty much inserting the crochet tool from one side of the braid to the other side, and then from the other side of the braid to the other side, and you keep going in and out until you get to the top where the hair is. Secure the hair, close the latch hook, and pull it through. Again, you have to now assess and measure to see if there is any hair remaining that needs to be woven into the braid, and I believe that there is none. So yeah, we are quite done. All right, so now I'm going to show you guys how I remove it. All right, so having inserted the hair, you are now able to see where her hair is. Yes, it is quite visible on the top of the braid, and once you pull her hair out, then you pretty much just hold on to the loop of the crochet here and it slips right off. All right, so again, to install, you insert it from the top of the braid to the bottom of the braid, attach, pull it through, attach her hair, close the latch hook, pull it through the loop, and then once you hold on to her hair and the crochet hair at the same time, it just tightens itself. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I insert the crochet tool in and out, in and out. Yes, so from the front of the braid to the back of the braid, in and out until you get to the top. Then you attach, pull through, and then you're gonna just keep doing the same thing until all of her hair is concealed. Yeah, so we have everything pretty much done for this portion. Yes, in the back. And again, you can literally see her here at the top. Hold it, lift it out, then hold on to the loop of the crochet here, and it slides right off. Yeah, pretty easy, not difficult at all. And yeah, so this is the progress so far. We have gotten to about the third row, and we're just gonna just show you guys one more time before we complete the video, just for reinforcement. Yes, show you guys how we did it. Again, inserting, attaching, closing, pulling, then attaching and pulling through. And now we want to do that in and out motion along the braid. In and out, and then in and out again. And you just do that until you get to the very top of the braid where her hair is. And once you get to the top of the braid where her hair is, then you just attach her hair to the crochet tool. Almost there, almost there. We are there. Then you attach her hair, close the latch hook, and then we're gonna just pull it all the way through. Yes, and use your hand to just smooth it down and to assess the length to see if there is anything remaining. We have a tiny piece that's remaining, so you're gonna just assess or estimate where you need to start the in and out motion. Again, not too far down the braid, since it's just a small length that is not within the braid. And just repeat that process. Attach that small piece of hair, close the latch hook, and simply pull it through. Yeah, easy breezy, quick and easy. Yes. And guys, I hope you guys are not intimidated by the style. A lot of people were asking me, how do you remove it? As you can see, it is easy to remove these individual crochet boho braids. Of course, we're adding a little bit of mousse. We're dealing with synthetic hair, so you just want to make sure that you smooth the hair down a little bit and get rid of any frizzes, just to activate the curls a little bit better. And yeah, this is pretty much the look. As you can see, it is nice and neat, very lightweight, a very low maintenance hairstyle that is also very, very versatile. So you can definitely rock this one for the holidays, for the summer, for vacation, and whatever the need. Thank you guys so much for checking out today's video. We do appreciate you. We do appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. Please again subscribe, and we will definitely catch you guys on my next one. Bye.